This out here is my dog. He's at the dog park. Just grateful to be here on another beautiful day in my Father's creation. All praise to Yahuah and Yahusha for always taking care of me and all that pray to him. For his mercy lasts forever, and his loving kindness is great, along with his righteousness and power. Okay, why don't you go play, buddy? Huh? Why don't you go play? Get all that park to play in. You'll be okay. I'm grateful to be alive, Father. I ask you to be with all of us and open people's eyes to the truth, that they too may know the joy of your salvation. May I praise you forever. Even though I know I fall short and I'm weak sometimes, I lean on your grace, Father, for it is greater than I. We got the whole park to ourselves, don't we, buddy? That's my best bud right there. He's a good boy. Okay, good boy. May you finish a good work in me, Father. That once I'm in your hand, no man can take me out of it. All praise to the Messiah, Hamashiach, Yahushua, or Yahusha, forgive me. I'm not very good at doing these videos. Very uncomfortable in front of the camera. But I know it's not about me, it's about our Father. All praise Yahuah. Amen.